So today I will be opening a gift from my friend Cardonart. He's an amazing artist, so he sent me a gift from Amazon, which are Derwent artist color pencils. He sent it for free. So Cardonart, if you're watching this, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You're such a blessing to my life. Thank you for being a part of my life. And to be honest, this is the best gift I have ever received so far. Not even my birthday, I haven't received such kind of precious gift. So thank you so much. May God bless you. I hope your channel grows and I will pray for you. So to show my support, please check out his channel. Check out his channel. I put the link in his description in the description down below, and please subscribe to his channel because he deserves it. He's an amazing artist. He has amazing content, and his arts are international level and are way better than mine. So make sure you subscribe to his channel. Thank you. So before we go on, I would like you to check out Cardon Art's channel and subscribe to his channel. He has amazing content like this. That's amazing. He's an amazing artist, so make sure you subscribe to his channel. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see me using these color pencils, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and share. And please make sure you subscribe to Cardon Art channel. Bye. I will see you next week. Thank you, Cardon Art, for being such a blessing to my life and coming to my life and giving me such amazing gift. May God bless you. I will pray for you and your family, and I hope your channel grows. If you're watching this, I hope your channel grows to a million subscribers, millions and millions of views. Cause your artwork is international level. Your artwork is international level. So great work. Keep it up. That's my encouragement for you. Starting to finish the swatching process. As you can see, the last color is gray. Okay, so here is the color swatches, the final colors. They look really smooth and amazing, and they